Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. Mathematics for slow learners. Solve the following equations. Reference CBSE 8th class textbook. Here we have 10 questions. In each question we have only one equation with only one variable. Observe carefully, one equation, one variable. X minus 2 equal to 7. Since we have to find out the value of x, let x be in the left hand side and send this minus 2 to the right hand side. Then it becomes x is equal to 7 plus 2. X is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Answer. Y plus 3 equal to 10. Since we need only y in the left hand side, y is equal to 10 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Y equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. Y equal to 7. Answer. Here we have 6 is equal to z plus 2. We have to find out z. Z is in the right hand side. So we write z plus 2 in the left hand side and 6 in the right hand side. No need to change any signs now. Now z is equal to 6 minus 2. Z is equal to 4. Or we can also do this sum like this. 6 is equal to z plus 2. If we bring only z to the left hand side, z becomes minus z is equal to plus 2 minus 6. Minus z is equal to different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign, minus 4. Minus, minus cancel, z is equal to 4. Same answer. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. We have to find out the value of x. X is equal to 17 by 7. This plus becomes minus. Plus 3 by 7 becomes minus 3 by 7. X is equal to, since we have 7 and 7 same denominators, 7 is the LCM, 17 minus 3. X is equal to 14 by 7. 7 2s are cancelled. X is equal to 2. Answer. When the denominators are same, we can directly subtract the numerators. 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 6. Since we have multiplicative sign here between 6 and x, this 6 becomes division and 6. 6 2s are 12. X is equal to 2. Answer. 2x by 3 equal to 18. X is equal to 18. We can write this 2 by 3 as into 3 by 2. 2 nines are, and x is equal to 27. Answer. Or 2x by 3 equal to 18 can be written as by 1. 2 nines are 18. We can cancel. When into is here and single term in the left side, single term in the right side, we can do like this. Now x is equal to 3 nines are 27. Answer. (17 plus 6p equal to 9). 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. 6p equal to different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign. So this is minus 8. P equal to minus 8 by 6. We have into here. So by 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. P equal to minus 4 by 3. Answer. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Here in this equation, we have t here and here also. So first we write 5t and then plus 3t becomes minus 3t is equal to minus 5, and this minus 3 becomes plus 3 after coming to the right hand side. Now this is 2t is equal to different signs, subtraction, bigger number sign. So this is minus 2. Don't say minus into plus minus. T equal to minus 2 by 2. So here into here by 2. 2 ones are cancelled. T equal to minus 1. Answer. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 7. Here we have x, here also we have x. So 8x minus 3x is equal to, this is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4, and this plus 4 becomes minus 4. So this is 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 5, that is equal to 0 answer. Two x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Here we have x, here also we have x. So 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Here 15 is the LCM for 3 and 15. 15 by 3 is 5. That 5 into 2x is 10x. Minus 15 by 15 is 1. That 1 into 7x is 7x is equal to 2. Now this becomes 3x by 15 is equal to 2. 3 5s are cancelled. So x by 5 is equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiplication, x 1s are x is equal to 5 2s are 10. Answer. Same sum in different method. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Same sum. Here LCM for 3 and 1 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. That 1 into 2x, 2x. Plus 3 by 1 is 3. That 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to, LCM for these two is 15. 15 by 15 is 1. 1 into 7x is 7x. Plus 15 by 1 is 15. 15 into 3, 45. Now 3 5s are 15. We can cancel like this when single fraction in the left side, single fraction in the right side. Now this is 2x plus 3 by 1. This is 7x plus 45 by 5. We cannot add these two. We cannot write 2x plus 3 is 5x. We cannot write like that. We don't have x here. Observe carefully. This is a variable and this is a constant. Here also the same. Now 2x plus 3 into 5. Cross multiplication. 5 into 2x 10x. 5 into 3 15 is equal to 1 into 7x 7x. 1 into 45 plus 45. Now here we have x, here we have x. 10x minus 7x is equal to 45 minus 15. Now this is 3x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 by 3. Here we have into. So by 3. 3 tens are cancelled. X is equal to 10. Answer. This is extra sum. Minus 18 is equal to 11y plus 4. Here, if we bring only 11y to the left hand side, it becomes minus 11y. If we bring 11y plus 4 to the left hand side and minus 18 to the right hand side, no need to change any signs. But here we are bringing only 11y to the left side. Minus 11y is equal to 4 plus 18. Minus 18 becomes plus 18. Now this is minus 11y is equal to 22. Y is equal to 22 by, since we have into here, by minus 11. Here observe carefully, this minus does not become plus. This minus remains minus. Observe carefully. Now y is equal to 22 by minus 11. Now cancel, y equal to minus 2 answer.